What's up, guys? It's Rob with Project XJ 99, and this is our 6-month review. I got the XJ a little over 6 months ago. It was July of 2021. We haven't been able to do a whole lot of fun stuff to it, but we've definitely been doing some stuff to it, so let's check it out. So right off the bat, you'll notice we got some new wheels on here. These are the Mastercraft AXT2s. They are 235/75/15s. They are stock size. They're a little beefier with the tread, so I did have to do some modifications. We did take out the inner fender liner, and I did have to cut the bumper corners on each side. And as for the rims, these are Pro Comp 51 series Steelies. I've yet to get the center cap for them, but they're on their way. I've also recently taken off the bumper corners on all four sides and repainted. They turned out great. Just a little prep work, sand just a little bit, some fine grit, and a couple of light coats, and they turned out pretty good. As for the interior, when I first got it, I stripped the interior completely. Seat covers, except for the driver's seat. I have not done that yet. And I straight power washed everything. I took out the floor carpeting and cleaned and power washed all of that as well. These seats came out great. There is a few cigarette burns from the previous owners, but I do plan on putting some Jeep patches and things over that, just random patches. So I still need to take this one apart, restuff it like this one, and it'll be good as new. I am working on the door. When I got it, the door the passenger side door window did not roll up and down, so I got a new actuator for that. Now I just purchased the squeegee trim. I don't know exactly what it's called for the inside and outside, and I'm currently searching for the outer door trim. So if you know where I can find this, drop in the comments. I need it for the complete passenger side front and one of the rear. In the near future, I do plan on buying new fenders. This thing is getting plasti dipped after that, so I'm not worried about color matching. It'll be plasti dipped for the rest of its life, I guess. I did paint this when I first got it, but as you can see, it was just a quick job. I just spray painted it and didn't really prep it too well. So I'm gonna take it back off, prep it like I did the bumper corners, and repaint that. Also took off all 3 of the wiper blades. Wiper arms, I mean, and repainted those. They turned out pretty good. I want to get rid of this. I really want to get rid of it, but we got some cancer inside of there. Big chunk of paint missing, and I'm gonna leave that on there until I figure out what I'm gonna do. So there she is, 6-month update. I do plan on getting a 2-inch lift for these tires, so I can roll with these tires for about a year or so. And then while I'm doing that, I'll get my 4-inch lift. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I have been doing a lot of mechanical work to it. Today I put in a new oil sending unit, but I just haven't been recording that kind of stuff. I just want to get it done, get it in there. And I also replaced the radiator. Maybe next time I have all my parts for my water pump, maybe I'll make a water pump video. Like I said, these aren't how-tos because I don't know how to, and this is all new to me. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Leave some comments below if you got any tips for me on XJs, and if you know where I can find this window trim. So see you next time.